What's up, guys? Welcome to Forex Success. So, guys, I hope we all are preparing for the new week trading. Yeah. So, guys, if you watched the previous video I dropped, you'll notice sorry about that. Okay, if you watched the previous video I dropped, you notice I gave a weekly analysis on volatility 25 index, and based on our analysis, I predicted that volatility 75 is gonna sell from this point. Yeah. So seeing this strong resistant level, so we're expecting it to push this market back to the downside. So as you can see, I'm already on this trade. Yeah, you can see I'm already on the trade with minimum lot size, managing risk. So I'm just following the rule of risking nothing more than 3% of my account. Yeah, so that's why I'm taking so small risk. Why there are other accounts that I trade aggressively. Yeah, that the flipping account. So this is just the account that I trade with proper risk management, holding trade for long. So that's just it. So guys, the good thing about trading, like the most important thing in it for a trader is risk management. Truly speaking, you need to understand that risk management, because if you don't have that risk management, no strategy will work for you. Because no strategy is 100%, there is every possibility that you are going to have some losing trade. So if you don't have that risk management, on that losing trade, you end up blowing your account. So that's why a lot of persons give up on Forex if they don't manage risk. So having this trade, guys, I have a stop loss. That is, I have an exit point for this trade, that if the trade gets to that level, I will know that, okay, it has gone against me, then I will take off it. So watch that previous video, guys, so that you understand how I did the analysis with price action, so that you can catch something from it as you learn from it. So if you go to the smaller time frame, you see the indicators are also confirming the moves, but I did this analysis with price action, and you can see my entry. Very perfect entry, guys, at the top. See, at the top, expecting it to move down. Yeah, so if you are just a scalper, you can be taking profit at this level. But for me, I'm holding it because it's a long-term trade. I don't really care about whatever movement it's actually giving me. So that's just basically how we do this thing here, guys. That's just basically how we trade. So you can have different accounts that you can be flipping and trading in whichever way you like, but just make sure that you are not depositing again. That's just the main thing, guys. Like, I can't really remember when last I deposited to derive. No, that's just the thing. You don't need to continue depositing. That's how to know you are not profitable. But when you keep on depositing, it simply means you are taking money from another place and putting it into your trading account. So that's not what we actually want as a trader. So trade responsibly, avoid depositing, keep on withdrawing, even if it's small. Yeah, half is better than none, for real. So, and don't be a greedy trader, for real. So this just is a motivation or an advice for the new week. So see you guys this week, guys. Let's trade together. I'll make sure. So guys, just add this volatility 25 index to your watch list and observe the market so you can get good entry. So right now I'm seeing this chart. This price is going back to this upside. So if it gets to this upside again, it might be a good entry again. So that's it. For me, I'll just be holding this trade because it's a long-term trade. That's why you don't need big lot size, so that your account will be able to hold it. Exactly, because the return is actually high. So that's exactly how we do this thing. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified. Thank you. Guys, click on the link at the description below or at the comment section to create an account on there so you can start trading with us. Thanks for watching. We're Forex Success.